Hello my friends, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Obviously I just got out of the shower. You saw that I went to yoga this morning and I actually met up with Veggiekins, who is the person that I shot that vegan taste test with. So now I am obviously walking into my kitchen. I am so hungry because all I had was that energy ball. So I'm going to make my matcha, which you guys already know how to make, so I'm not gonna walk you through the whole thing. And then I'm also going to make a smoothie bowl, and I'm gonna do things a little bit differently today. I'm not doing a chocolate one. I'm actually gonna do a green smoothie bowl, and you'll see that I've changed up a few of the ingredients. So I will walk you through how to make that. So my matcha this morning was my standard matcha latte. It's just ceremonial grade matcha. I sweeten it with some monk fruit extract, and then I flavor it with some pumpkin pie spice. My adaptogen powder was cordyceps. I top it with some coconut butter, fill it up with water, blend it up in my blender, and then I pour it into my cup. And I have a beautiful, smooth, and creamy matcha latte. This is definitely my favorite way to make it. And if you guys want to see the full recipe, you can click the card that's right on the screen, and that will take you to some of my other What I Eat in a Day videos. In terms of my smoothie for this morning, I started with a base of power greens, and this was a mixture of spinach, chard, and baby kale, and I just bought this at my grocery store. And then my protein powder, I used the Essential Superfood Blend from Navitas Organics. This one has, I think, 6 grams of protein per scoop, so I did a scoop of that, and then I topped it with about half of a frozen banana, and you guys know I don't usually use banana. And I also did some frozen cauliflower as well as some coconut water, blended this all up, and it was such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, I was like loving it. And then I transferred it into my bowl, smoothed it over, and then for toppings, I kept things super simple. I just did some blackberries, some of my homemade peanut butter banana granola, and then I wanted to take a pretty picture, so I had to leave off the almond butter until I got over to my desk to take a photo, but I also did a big scoop of almond butter. And then I thought it would be fun to show you guys my supplement routine, so I'm going to just walk you through the supplements that I take currently. The first one is this vitamin D3 and K2, and it's 5,000 milligrams, and I take one every single day. The next one is this Gaia Herbs Adrenal Health Daily Support. I take this for obviously healthy adrenals, and it's really great. I take 2 every single day. It has rhodiola in it, has holy basil in it, as well as some other really great adaptogen powders, and it's just a really, really great supplement. I really like it a lot. And then I also use this Women's Symmetry from Vitanica. It's just like a daily kind of multivitamin, but really great for women's health. And then I also take a spray of this vitamin B12 from Garden of Life. And then I also take a probiotic. I can't remember the brand that I have right now. It was in my fridge, but these are all of my daily supplements. So I take 1 vitamin D, 1 probiotic, 2 of the adrenal supports, 2 of my multivitamins, and a spritz of vitamin B12. Hello again, it's lunchtime. I am not really sure what I'm gonna eat. I'm feeling pretty lazy, so I might just do avocado toast with maybe some Kite Hill cream cheese on it. Also gonna make a turmeric latte. You can tell I am now dried, no makeup on. I'm going out tonight, so I'll do my makeup later. Plus, like, I don't really see very many people during the day, so being makeup free is a-okay with me. Trevi doesn't mind, do you babes? So let's take a look and see what I have in my fridge. I see right away that I have an avocado. So we are definitely going to be using half of this avocado. Ooh, I also have leftover salad that is not dressed. So I think we'll do some of this salad. And then I think I'll just make like a piece of toast, put on that avocado. I have some pomegranate seeds, which I think I'm gonna put on top. That could look really pretty. Always gotta get that thumbnail shot, you guys. What else? Oh yeah, and then that turmeric latte. I think that will be my lunch today. Sounds kind of good right now because I'm not feeling like cooking, if I'm being honest. So let's do this. So I get a lot of questions about the type of bread that I like because I get gluten-free bread and also the bread that I get is vegan. So for all of you that are vegan and not doing eggs, then I think that you should look for this bread because it's really good. The brand is Food for Life Baking. and this is their sprouted variety. So I have only been able to find this at Fairway. I have not found it at Whole Foods, the sprouted version. They do have other breads from this brand that are gluten-free. If you live in the US and you are familiar with the Ezekiel toast, it's like a sprouted whole grain based bread line. It's the same company as this. So this is a really good bread. This is their original 3 seed. I don't think that it tastes like cardboard, which is always a win in my book when it comes to gluten-free. I'll show you what. So it usually comes in the freezer. I'll just like take a knife and slice that way, and then I'll just pop this in the toaster. So here is my salad, and the dressing that I used is my creamy balsamic vinaigrette from my salad dressing video, and I just kind of poured on top, stirred around. I just kept it in this container, and I wanted to show you what's inside. So I have romaine. I also have some watercress, which is actually really good. It's kind of spicy and bitter like arugula, but I really like it. And then I also have some red bell pepper, as well as some carrots and some scallions. And then for the toast, I am topping it with Kite Hill chive cream cheese. This is an almond milk based cream cheese, and it's really, really delicious. I am obsessed with it, in case you guys haven't seen it in any of my other What I Eat in a Day videos. And then I just topped that with some sliced avocado, and I sprinkled on some pomegranate seeds. And then for a little bit of extra protein, I did some hemp seeds and a crack of fresh pepper. And this is the beautiful toast. And then finally for my turmeric golden milk, I use this golden milk blend from Gaia Herbs. It's basically just a teaspoon of this. Top it with about a 1/4 cup of almond milk, sweeten it with my monk fruit extract, top it with hot water, and blend it up in my blender until it's smooth and creamy. And I love this. I sometimes do coconut butter instead of the almond milk. You can do both. You could also add in adaptogen powders. You could add in cinnamon or vanilla. And I really, really love this golden milk. It just makes it, I don't know, it's not hard to make a turmeric milk, but it just makes it even easier, and it tastes really good. And that was my lunch. And like I mentioned, we are going out to dinner, but I had a pre-dinner snack. I had some of these plantain chips with my kimchi queso dip. If you guys have not tried this kimchi queso dip, it is so good. I will link it for you on the screen. It's honestly amazing. It has the best texture. I'm going to show it to you right now. So creamy, kind of spicy, really cheesy, and so good. All right, so we're listening to some music in the background, but got my wine, and we are actually heading out for the night. So I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. I've got some cute sparkly shoes from Steve Madden, and then my jeans are high-waisted jeans from Madewell. They've got the rips, they're black, they're like 9 inches. Top is also from Madewell. My necklace is from Satya Jewelry, and then my makeup is pretty much all 100% pure. So, got the whole look. Cheers to the weekend, my friends. Thought I would also just tell you who we are going to meet up with, because you guys probably are already familiar with her. We are meeting up with Michelle from Fit Vista. She and I partnered like 3 years ago on Simply Fit. So I'm meeting up with her and her boyfriend, and of course Matt's coming with us too. And I'm really excited because Michelle is actually coming out with a new book, and I think it's launching in May. I'll ask her tonight the exact book launch date, but it's all about self-care. It's called Self-Care in the City. I'm gonna link the information for you guys below. If you're in the city, she actually is having a book launch that I'm going to, and I would love for you guys to come too. So I'll put all of her information for you guys below. I'm gonna try my best to film during dinner, at least just show you what I'm doing. We are going to an amazing pizza restaurant in Midtown, so I will try to film and show you guys, but if I don't, I hope you guys enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day video. Let me know what you think about this vlog style. I think it's kind of fun, definitely something a little bit different, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think that's all I have for you guys today. So I hope you have an awesome rest of your night, and I'll see you soon. All right, so the restaurant that we went to is called Don Antonio. It's on 49th Street between 8th and 9th Avenues, and it's a pizza. It's like classic Italian, but it is really good at pizza. So I'm going to show you their gluten-free menu. So they have a dedicated gluten-free menu. They also indicate everything that is vegan and vegetarian, which is amazing. And their pizza, gluten-free pizza menu is incredible. So the one that I always get is the vegana. It's tomato sauce based. It's got zucchini, eggplants, artichokes, mushrooms, and it's so good. You don't miss the cheese at all. Hi guys! You remember Michelle, I told you all about her, and we did Simply Fit like 2 or 3 years ago now. Yeah, but we are at a pizza place in Midtown, and I'll show you what we get. But I just wanted to like have her say hi, and we are gonna put all of her book info in the description box below. And the book party, if you are in New York City, the book party is on April 24th. 24th?
Yes, I'd love for you to be there, guys.
Awesome. Yeah, I will put a link also below, and there's early bird until the 10th.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Cool. Yay.
Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Have fun.
And here is our finished pizza. The crust is one of the best gluten-free crusts, if not the best gluten-free crust that I have ever tasted. I love this place. It is so amazing. I cannot recommend it to you guys enough. It's great for all different types of diet types, which is amazing. And it just tastes so good. So if you're in Manhattan, you gotta come to this place, Don Antonio. I will link it for you below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.